everybody is scared of high mileage Hemis. Second, somebody see 150,000 miles, 200,000 miles, or even more, they instantly think that the truck is completely done. The engine is about to blow up. The transmission is also on borrowing time. The truck isn't worth buying. But honestly, after owning my Ram and after talking to hundreds of Hemi owners out there and also seeing a lot of these trucks countlessly hit high mileage, and honestly, I have realized something. The biggest lie about high mileage Hemis is that the mileage is what really kills these Hemis. But honestly, the mileage isn't really the problem. So with that being said, today we are going to be talking about what actually really matter. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. If you are new here today, this is my beautiful 2014 Ram 1500 right behind me, guys. And I had this truck for about maybe going on 2 years now. And right now we almost at 160,000 plus miles. And I'm pretty sure if you are online, pretty sure you have heard plenty of times somebody tell you never buy a high mileage Hemi. They pretty much tell you it's a ticking bomb. Once these trucks or Hemis in general hit 200,000 plus miles, it's game over. But here's the thing, right? I've seen Hemis with over 200,000 plus miles or even 300,000 plus miles. Mileage alone about these Hemis is not the whole story. Yes, I know a lot of people tend to make it seem like that's like the whole story. Once these trucks, certain thousand plus miles, it's a done game, but that's not really true. I'm gonna be honest. This is not my first Hemi I ever owned with a high mileage. Right now, 159,000, almost 160K. I have owned my Ram I had before had 200,000 plus miles on there. So that really tell you it's not the mileage is part of it sometimes, but it really does depend. Just because a Hemi has high mileage doesn't mean that's like the end of it. So here's one of the biggest myths that goes around all the time, right? People always think that high mileage kill Hemis, but the real truth is it really doesn't. And you gotta understand, there's always a lot of things, right? Neglecting your maintenance kills your vehicle. Not doing maintenance at all, any little problems and stuff like that you're trying to avoid to the side also add up to your vehicle dying at the end. Also, such as you running low oil, also that's one of the biggest things too that can also kill these vehicles. So now you gotta understand the mileage just really tell you how much the truck have been driven, but it really don't tell you much about how much that truck or car at the end of the day been maintained. And you have to understand that right there is a huge difference. All right, y'all, so this is what really matter, right? Let's say you have two Rams, that's my door, and one of them have about 80,000 plus miles, and then the other one has about, let's say, 200,000 plus miles, right? Now, most people out there probably gonna choose the 80,000 plus miles Ram. But let me tell you something. What if the 80,000 plus mile Ram was actually abused? So let's say that 80,000 plus mile truck, they missed the oil change. Also, they wasn't really keeping up with their maintenance. Also, they let it sat for way too long. And meanwhile, on the other hand, the 200,000 plus mile Ram actually really got an oil change every 5,000 plus miles. And I'm talking every service was done on time. Every little issue they had, they fixed it instantly. So now it comes down to that question. Which truck would you actually really own? So we all know exactly which truck I'm going to own, exactly, to be honest. So that really just go to tell you mileage doesn't really mean much. It really comes down to the maintenance. The maintenance is the biggest thing right there you got to pay attention to. Most people are probably going to be wondering like, yo, why does some of these trucks actually last to see 200,000 plus miles or more, right? So here's the thing, right? This is why. Now, what I could tell you from my experience, the reason why, right? Most of these Hemis and stuff last to see 200,000 plus miles, 250, 300,000 plus miles, or even more. The biggest thing is consistency. It's not rocket science. You have to be consistent with doing your maintenance. Now I'm talking oil change, inspection. You have to be consistent caring for your vehicle. Hopefully you treat yourself good For example, we all got to get haircuts. We all got to do certain things and stuff like that. Hopefully you treat your vehicle exactly how you treat yourself, and that should be good. It's pretty much the same way. You just got to make sure you stay on top of those things. And I'm not going to tell you it's guaranteed, but that's what really all to it for a truck like this to be able to get to like 200,000 plus miles or more. Is really simple. It's not anything real difficult that you have to do. So if I were buying a high mileage Ram truck tomorrow, this is exactly what I would look for. These are the things that I would actually really care about. First thing for me going to be service record, owner history, maintenance history. I'm talking how the trucks sound. Most importantly, get in that truck and drive it and make sure also how the transmission and stuff shift. And another big thing, a lot of people tend to forget about these Ram trucks. They tend to rust a lot. So you want to make sure you're looking underneath, checking for rust, and overall, pretty much all the care. You just got to make sure you're looking at your suspension and things like that. Just like the typical actual things that really matter when you are driving these trucks, these vehicles and things like that. I'm pretty sure if you probably own more than one Ram, you know exactly what you got to look for. But for somebody who actually really buying one of these trucks, these are the things you just got to make sure you look for. If you guys notice, right, I didn't really mention mileage because you got to understand, mileage on a vehicle for itself don't normally tell you much. Now, my truck isn't perfect. I've been driven. Pretty much it's been modified. And also, I enjoy this truck on a daily basis. This is my daily driver. And one thing I can say, I can get up inside of it. It will start right up with no issue at all. No check engine light is on, which I'm grateful for. And this truck still drives like a brand new truck. Also, most importantly, it still puts a smile on my face every time I drive it. And to be honest, that's the proof alone to really tell you that mileage doesn't really determine how long your truck gonna live and things like that. It really doesn't determine if, just by you seeing a high mileage vehicle is gonna tell you that this truck got like a couple more months or it's gonna give you this and that problem. It really doesn't do that. So what's the biggest lie about high mileage Hemis? The lie is that the mileage automatically mean that the truck is pretty much done for. But you gotta understand, the truth is maintenance matter more, and also ownership matters more. And I'd rather buy a well-maintained 200,000 plus Ram than a neglect 80,000 plus miles Ram any day of the week. But now, to be honest, I want to be able to hear from you guys, my HEMI guys out there. Would you really buy a 200,000 plus miles? I know the miles sound kind of scary. To most people, when you hear 200,000 plus miles, that means run. But you guys got to let me know down in the comment down below. And that's going to be about it. I want to say I appreciate those who are subscribed to the channel. If you are new here, you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care, stay safe, and peace out.